What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are doing a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Samsung A52s. Now before we start, here are the specifications. It has a massive 6.5-inch Infinity O display that's punch hole design. It is a Super AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, and it has 800 nits peak brightness. As for performance, it comes with Snapdragon 778G processor with Adreno 642L GPU. It has up to 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Powering all this is 4500 mAh battery. It supports 25 watts fast charging and comes with 15 watts charger in the box. As for audio, this has dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support. Here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. Battery is at 92%. And there is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 26 degrees. Now let's check the mobile temperature before we start. On the front it is 29 degrees, on the bottom it is 30 to 31 degrees, on the back it is 29 degrees, on the bottom it is 30 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Battlegrounds Mobile India. Now these are the graphic settings. HDR graphics and ultra frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. Now let's get to the game. The visuals are great, details are also nice, the punch hole display looks pretty good, and the controlling is also smooth, and I couldn't notice any lag. The dual stereo speakers add to the experience.
Marked a location.
It's been 18 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 38 degrees, on the bottom it is 37 degrees, on the back it is 37 to 39 degrees, on the bottom it is 36 degrees. It's been 18 minutes since I'm playing and the battery came down to 87%. Phone feels warm on the front and slightly warm on the back. So for approximately 18 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 5% of battery, which is nice. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is still at 26 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. Now it's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 42 to 43 degrees, on the bottom it is 37 degrees, on the back it is 41 to 43 degrees, I events of 44, on the bottom it is 37 degrees. Now the phone feels pretty warm on the back, and it feels hot on the front. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 174 photos in 3 minutes, which is pretty decent. And there is no throttling going on. So that's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Samsung A52s. It has good performance and the punch hole display with dual stereo speakers give a good overall experience. What do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.